So oftentimes what people end up doing, so say they create a systems map and say they're having different data sets that are supporting monitoring. I think sometimes what you'll still end up doing on the systems map visual is a little bit more of like a stoplight aspect. So kind of like, hey, which things are progressing, red, yellow, green. It's maybe a little bit more qualitative of what you're bringing in versus importing all of the measurement evaluation data you might be using. But yeah, certainly I'd say that to me is one of the more exciting applications around. We have some hypothesis about what this system structure might be. How are we feeding back data about actual lived experience of like, hey, we thought as this thing changed, this other factor would change. So if this factor turns green and this is still red and we have no other connections, what's happening? Is that a delay? Are there other factors we didn't consider? Is our mapping complete? So there's not a people that have done it really, really great. There's a number of people who have tried to experiment into that. And part of it is just, it's like, these are tricky situations to even collect data for and feel like you have really good measurements around, depending on kind of your context. But I'd say it's certainly worth exploring.